day here. We got a lot of drywall going on here behind me. Hopefully it's warm enough in here to actually get this mud to dry so we can get this wrapped up this week. Move on to paint and then finishes. But I wanted to take a minute just to explain what this new project is that we're working on. You can see behind me here we've got some half walls, we've got some openings up high and things like that. This is an old cinder block building that is part of a fourplex multi-use building. This back space was rated as commercial occupancy, but we went through some changes and converted it over to residential. So what you see here behind me is a conversion into a 2-bedroom, 1-bath apartment. It is rather large. It's 1,280 square feet of living space. It's 12-foot tall ceilings up here above me. And we've come in and framed interior walls to divide it, like I said, into the 2 bedrooms, the 1-bath, separate laundry room, and then just a large, wide open living room and kitchen space. So we're going to keep the exposed block walls on the exterior. We got concrete floors, and then we're running a lot of exposed conduit for the electric and the lighting, just to keep that industrial feel, just what I think is going to make this a really cool space. So high ceilings, a lot of exposed fixtures and whatnot. So let's take a look here at what we're putting together. We hope you enjoy seeing it at this stage. It's going to make a lot of changes as we put the finishing touches. We have got an enormous amount of leftover historic doors and trim work and windows, things that we've collected from different projects. We just couldn't bring ourselves to throw them in dumpsters, so we've been hanging on to them, looking for a great project that we could reuse those. So this is the project. We're going to try to use up as much of that stuff as we can in this project, giving it just an eclectic feel. So whoever ends up renting this apartment will just have something that's different than any other apartment out there. So take a look at the things we're working with here and the walkthrough. Hope you enjoy it. Keep watching for the finished apartment as we bring it together. We'll definitely have some follow-up videos on it. Thanks a lot for watching. So this is one of the awesome things we're going to be putting in this apartment. This is a concrete sink. It is actually upside down the way you're looking at it here, but solid concrete. We're going to be building a metal stand for this to sit on, and that's going to be our bathroom vanity sink. So check this out, weighing about 350 pounds. We're going to have to make a pretty substantial stand for it. I think it's going to turn out awesome. Next up here, I wanted to show you some of the other remaining architectural pieces we've got. We've got fluted columns, we've got doors, we've got window sashes, we've even got fireplace mantles, we've got a variety of trim from window casing to baseboards, just a variety of things that we hope to use in a really cool way in this apartment. We're kicking around the idea of even doing a wall of doors on one of the walls, just as a way to feature it and make it look like something a little different than what it is right now. So check these out. These are some of our miscellaneous leftover parts and pieces that are going to go into this apartment. So we'd love for you to take a look at all these items and let us know what you think. If you see something here you think would be really cool to turn into something, be sure to add it down in the comment section below. We'll take a look at it, see if that's something we can make happen. Thanks again for watching.